And okay, let's learn some 2D shape. This is black color. It is square. It is heart. It is circle. Hexagon. It is 5-pointed star. It is triangle. Now let's know about the color name. These are our colors. It is pink color, yellow color, orange, red. Now let us color the shapes. It is green color. It is square. It is heart. It is circle. It is orange color. It is hexagon. It is yellow color. It is 5-pointed star. It is red color. It is triangle.